Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to update Visual Studio Code to the latest version. So there are two ways by which you can do that. The first way, you go to the menu section right here, and right here you go to the help section right here inside the menu, and you actually see this right here. So if any new update is there, you will see this check for update section. So you restart to update. So once you click this, it will automatically do the part for you. So once you click it, it will automatically restart. And if any new update will be there, it will do the updating that directly inside the background. So you can see it is now installing this new update as so once it launches right here, now it is actually using the latest version. So once again, if I go to the help menu right here, and you will see this option right here, check for updates. So you just need to click this section to actually see if any new update is there. And you will see this model window that there are currently no updates available. So if you are using the latest version, you will see this model window. This is the recommended and the most basic way by which you can check for updates. There is also this about button as well. So it exactly tells you which version of VS Code you are using. So 1.1.0.9.5. So you can actually see the exact version you are using. And there is also the second way by which you can download a fresh copy of VS Code. So just you go to the Google and simply typing VS Code download. And right here from the official website, you can download the latest version. So for your respective operating systems, so Windows, Linux, Mac, so depending upon your operating system. So once you click it, an exe file will get downloaded automatically. So it will use the latest version. And for doing this, you do need to uninstall your VS Code. So just right click, open file location. So you need to completely remove the existing VS Code. So just write open file location. And first of all, just uninstall the VS Code completely to install a fresh copy which will use the latest version. So now you can see it start installing the exe file right here. So you can directly install the latest version through this way as well. So the most basic way I already showed you, you go to the menu section, go to help and check for updates. So in this easy way, you can download the VS Code to the latest version.